Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Again, sorry for the lack of my beautiful pier pictures and the live ocean pictures of LBTS, Lauderdale by the Sea. However, I'm still having some computer problems, which I hope to have squared up by next Monday. I think my new computer and my new microphone is due in this week, so I can feel like I'm official with a real microphone and a better computer doing these reports. Anyways, after looking at today's prices, silver was up a little bit over that $24 mark today, and gold was up a little bit. No new dollar strength. It's right before the election. So as I said, and as I've been saying, I think everything's going to be quiet. However, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that, I kind of think that gold and silver prices have factored in a Trump win already, because I believe that if it was a Biden win, that gold and silver. Now, this doesn't mean that I believe that Biden or Trump is going to win, or I'm making a choice here either way. However, as I've been saying, I think that a Biden win would have increased the price of metals much quicker. And for some reason, I just feel like these results are kind of known by markets already. Markets are already factored in these wins one way or another. But perhaps I'm wrong. I think gold and silver is already factored in a Trump win, quite frankly, because I haven't seen any dramatic climb in precious metals of recent. In fact, more of a nervousness at these levels. However, as I said, a Trump win does not mean that precious metals are going to go down at all. Trump win just simply means, in my opinion, that we're going to kick the can down a road maybe a little bit slower than a Biden would. However, unfortunately, there's nothing fiscally conservative about Trump. And he hasn't gone after the central bankers and the printing of money and all this stuff. So just precious metals, as far as precious metals, we're fine on that level. So what we did see in today's closes were about a little bit higher than what we saw on yesterday's. And again, we saw no dollar strength. I think they said NASDAQ was down a little bit. The Dow was up a little bit. Again, no dollar strength today. I think the Russians said something about lowering supplies, so crude oil kind of went up a little bit as well. I'm not sure how that plays in with us. But anyway, overall, markets look really good for us. Again, I don't see any declines right now, and I was actually surprised that we've seen any up prices today right prior to the elections. So I suspect this upcoming week we're going to see higher precious metal prices. That's just my gut feeling. Anyway, that's my gut feeling. I haven't done this in a while, but let me take a look at the coin here, and we're going to do a quick coin, because I did find my bull and bear coin, and I'm going to do a quick spin here and see what the coin says. Spin here. Well, there you have it. That's what the coin says. And my opinion is that unless, again, I'm going to follow with what I've been saying for a while, unless we see some dollar strength and the stock market doesn't take a giant shit, pardon the expression, I think we'll see about same prices and maybe a little bit more. However, I am waiting for the stock market to take a giant shit, and so will the precious metals at that point. If you can buy in, great. If you can buy physical without paying an enormous premium, which I suspect is going to happen when metals take a dump. The only thing you can buy cheap when metals take a dump in these environments is paper. But I guess you can make money on paper if you know how to do it. Anyway, this is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Let's see what happens tomorrow. You know what the coin said. You know what I think. And we'll take a look tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get back my computer so I can actually start doing my reports with all the different articles and everything and my my long-winded opinions. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Have yourself a great evening. Good night.